Hello everyone. Right, I've literally come back from holidays. That's the reason why I haven't made any videos for the past couple of weeks. So I've literally just come back, took the bags on the bed, and I'm going to be working on the car because, you know, why not? So today we're going to be doing the turbo to crossover pipe, and what I mate coming down to give me an hand in a minute. So I've got it from MK Motorsport for 40 quid. So shout out to them, and also a massive thanks to them because normally I have to wait 10 to 14 days to get it, but I got mine in 5 days. So fair play to them for getting it out so quickly to me. So I'm just going to quickly get changed and then get straight on the car.
Maybe.
Yeah. Right, that's the original one. There we go. And in there. Bigger diameter.
50 to 70mm hole.
Smoother response. And put down there. Obviously some sort of restrictor inside.
It says rubbing on there where it has been originally.
There we go. The pipe's actually physically on. Now a lot of people are taking this off when there's no need. I don't know why people are taking this off for and wiper arms.
You can do if you want easy access, if you want a bit more easy access, but if you want to do it less take parts off as possible, you can still do it down there. It's just a bit fiddly with the Jubilee clip, but make sure it's facing the right way, so actually if you need to get it off or if it does pop off, it'd be easier to get to.
Yeah, but the way we're doing it, taking the tray off, it takes literally 5 minutes, and if you take this off in the first place and the bolts or the Jubilee clips facing the wrong way, you still got to take the tray off anyhow to get to it, so you may as well take the tray off in the first place, unscrew it from down there, and then the rest you can do from the top just like this. So the pipe's on. It's a matter of fitting the Dream Science induction kit back on. Remember to put that pipe back on. Something to do with the boost, I think. And so here we go. The easy bit. Well, it should be. The face. So, all done. Bit of a game getting that pipe in the right way so it wasn't rubbing, but all nice and tight. Moment of the truth. If it pops off, it pops off. If it don't, we're all good. And hopefully it might get a bit of louder sound. So they won't be. You should get a louder whistle sound, I think. I don't know, wind. Get induction more right, you know. Right, last video we fit the turbo crossover pipe. But first of all, apologies to the video, it's a bit shaky. I'm using my phone because my camera holder that I use on the windscreen mount is lost. So yeah, I thought I'd do a quick video, a quick verdict video and a quick sound test video for you. So first of all, £40 is a bit expensive really for a bit of silicone pipe, but unfortunately that's the going price for it, unfortunately. And yes, it was easy to fit. I mean, anyone could fit it. I mean, it'll take about half an hour for most people to an hour, if that. But yeah, it's very easy to fit. Now for gains, I don't know whether it's just me or maybe it's just my mind thinking it's giving me something extra, or whether it's just actually giving me something extra, I don't know. Sound wise, it is definitely a lot louder than I was expecting. Some people did say to me it's going to be loud, but I wasn't expecting it to be that loud. So hopefully now, once we get down this road, I might be able to do a bit of a sound test for you. I should be able to anyhow. Let's have a quick look. I might be able to do it now actually. Yeah, we'll give it a bit of a blast. I'll do another video outside if I can. I'll pull over and do a quick rev up for you. I'm not sure if you can hear it that well. So yeah, do a quick video in a minute and then we'll go from there. So as you can see guys, it does tend to pop and bang a lot more. That's my review on it anyhow. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully we'll get on to the next ones very soon.